face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really.
Detail.
Mermaid. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's expensive though. It's like $42. New like powder foundation from Toothpaste. Chocolate soleil. Shadow palette. It's $45. They also have this Urban Decay Bath palette. And the white peach, I don't know, should I get or this one? It's the palette. Oh my god, but it's $65. It's here, but I got it at TJ Maxx for like $25.
2 hours later.
One of the coffee cake, and then what's inside this one, the donut?
The red bean inside.
Oh, and then this one is just cream cheese. Is that like Long John?
No.
No.
Pasta is like the long john.
A few moments later.
First time cooking. I don't know what this is in English, but it's tabunga in Ilocano. There's sardinas, so sardines, tomatoes, garlics, onion. Yummy! Ang sarap, guys. First time ko magluto ng ganito.
Baby, up, up.
Yung isa yun.
Baby Sky, baby Sky, baby, come here, come on, up, come on, baby, up. Baby, come on. Up. Cookie. I give you cookie. Come on. Up. Good boy. You're such a good boy. You like that, huh, baby? Yeah. You're so cute. You're so cute, baby. Oh, you love that, baby? Yeah. Wow. You're so cute. I died every time, baby, every time.
It's my first time making carbohydrate, and it's so good. So I put red and green bell peppers, and then potatoes. Then I have carrots right here, and I use beef with the bones. Yeah, so I'm just making it a little bit softer. And yeah, so halo is here. Yummy!
The next day.
Oh my god, it's set up! Look at that. Shit. Whew.
You are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.